everyone, I'm gonna talk about something. You see here, I am flashing my car back to the stage 1 91 octane. I'll tell you something, I was running the stock map and I knew it was gonna happen. I said, I'm driving around the stock map, I feel like I'm just vulnerable for something to happen, and lost one. Went down to a Tesla. I mean, it was just a quick, short stoplight, and the first time I thought I'd catch him. Caught me off guard for a second, and I was able to color him off a little bit, but each time I changed gears, he was pulling me. So I was like, all right, next light, I'm gonna show him. I make sure I was in Sport Plus, everything. And what I realized, I started to go to launch control, but I thought, first of all, is it worth using launch control for Tesla anyway? And my second thing is, I wasn't sure if I was gonna get it activated in time because I needed to turn off traction control, I needed to go to manual mode, I needed to hold and build boost and time it when the light was gonna turn green. And honestly, it just realistically, I couldn't get that all dialed in at the last minute. And light turned green, got me on launch. And like I said, each gear change just edged me out. I don't think it was performance, but it could have been a dual motor with the performance upgrade. I know they have those out there, because I'm like, even the stock form, the 0-60 on the X5 is still quicker than the dual motor. And the way he came up on me like he knew he wanted me. He followed me through traffic and then got lined up with me. So I feel like he was picked on me a little bit, but yeah. Sorry, boys, lost one. So I'm putting the tune on. I'm not letting this happen again. So I'll show you guys videos now. Should have did. I should have been like, hey, tough guy, let's go on the highway or something. And I'll show you, because I know I'll get him a top end. But I mean, it's California. The highways aren't, there's nothing you can really do on the highway either, unless it's like middle of the night. Then your speeds are higher, and then, like I said, it's harder to explain yourself out of a situation, if you get pulled over. So anyway, fun. But yeah, got my butt kicked. All right, everyone, thanks for watching. See you next video.